Hello everyone. In this class we will discuss about the K-map, complete K-map. That means in the previous video we have discussed about the step-by-step process, how to draw the K-map and how to fill the value, how to map the values, is it? How to roll, map rolling concept, overlapping groups, redundant groups, everything we have done step by step. So here we will just look the rules. What are the rules we have to follow? The same what we discussed in the previous videos. Here are step by step. First one, prepare the truth table for the given function. Given function means example, if you are getting a question of reduce f of abcd equal to sigma or some values means that is a given function. So prepare the truth table for the given function and draw an empty K-map for the given function. That is, if it in the question it is 2 variable means you can draw 2 variable K-map, 3 variable means 3 variable K-map you have to draw. If it is 4 variable has given in the question means we have to draw 4 variable K-map. And the next, map the given function by entering ones for the output as 1 in the corresponding squares. You know, in SOP, the respective minterm position we are filling the values 1. That is indicated here by entering ones for the output as 1 in the corresponding squares. And left out empty squares, how we will fill? Enter zeros. So enter zeros in all left out empty squares. Encircle adjacent ones in the form of octets, chords and pairs. Don't forget to roll the map and overlap. You know what is an octet, what is a chord and what is pair. As per the rules, you should encircle adjacent ones and check is there any octet, chords and pairs, and don't forget to roll the map and overlapping. Then you should remove that redundant groups. Remove redundant groups. If any redundant groups are there means it should be removed. Then write the reduced expression for all the groups one by one. How we will write example, we got 3 pairs, one pair and two chords means how we will write pair 1 equal to 1 expression we will get. Chord 1, another expression, chord 2, another expression, like that. Is it? Yeah, the final stage or at last how we have to write the reduced expression for all the groups, and we have to use that OR option. That means plus minterms plus another minterm, like that we are writing. Is it? So that write the reduced expression for all the groups and OR, that is plus the m1 plus m2 plus, like that. Last also how we will write the reduced expression plus next reduced expression, like that. That is the final reduced expression. So these are the rules we need to rules we need to learn for SOP reduction using K-map. The next one is POS. The same, you know, all of you know that POS in the sense, yeah, the same, prepare the truth table for given function. This one I will explain you where when we are preparing the truth table. Okay, before the previous videos also we didn't discuss about how the preparing the truth table for given function. So where we have to draw this point, this one I will discuss you, I tell you later. So the second point the same, draw an empty K-map for the given function. 2 variable means 2 variable K-map, 3 variable means 3 variable function K-map you have to draw, and so on. Map the given function by entering zeros for the output. SOP means SO1 we are entering. POS means we have to enter the zeros for the output as 0 in the corresponding squares. Then left out empty squares we will fill with 1 in the case of POS. Then encircle adjacent zeros in the form of octets, chords and pairs, and don't forget to roll the map and overlap the group. Next point, remove the redundant groups. If any redundant groups there means we can remove it. We should remove it. Then last point, write the reduced expression for all the groups and AND them. In SOP we are just using, you have to remember SOP we are using plus, that is the OR operator. POS means product or sum, that's why we are using AND operator, that is indicating by the dot. Okay, so these are the main rules we have to check it. So the first one, this one already we discussed, so all of you know this. Anyway, just we will move with this example. So how reduce f of a b c d. So from this question we can understand this is a 4 variable K-map, and one more sigma m. In some questions they will give only sigma of that values. Some questions they will give sigma small m of that values. What do you mean? That is the SOP concept. Is it? SOP means it is indicated by sigma, that we discussed already. So SOP. So you know by seeing the symbol sigma or sigma m means you can just consider this given expression or given function should be expressed in the SOP. Okay. So which are the values has given here? These are the min-term designation positions also. This you know. So 0. So this here which value we need to fill? SOP means 1 we have to fill, is it? Yes. So here we just fill the values with starting with 0th position, 0th min-term designation, that we have to place the values 1. So here 0, the next one is 2, 2, 7, yes, 7, then 8, where is 8? Yeah, it is in the corner, 8, 10 and 50. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values totally, is it? Yeah, we have done it. Now you know, first we have to find is there any octet formation? Any 8 values here? No, 1, 2, it's not possible. Adjacent 8 adjacent ones are there means we can mark it as what? Octet. So there is no octet. Next chords 1, 1, 1. 4 ones are there. Chords we can make it, but based on which condition? These all ones are in the corners, is it? If it is in the corners, we can do the map problem. Yes or no? So we can do like this. 1. So these right, left and right, and along with top and bottom. So together make it as a chord. Can we? Yes. So how we will write? Quad 1 equal to, you know how to write? M0 plus M2 plus M8 plus M10. So how you reduce that value, that also you know. So in an easy way, in a single step we can do. So which one is common here? A dash, B dash and AB dash. It's not changing. B dash is not changing. So we are just writing B dash. Here which one is not changing? D dash is not changing. So we will get the value B dash, D dash. Yes? Yeah. The next one. Next you have to find any other chords or any other chords possible. No, it is not possible. Only 2 values are there. So we can make it as a pair. So pair 1. How to write it? Pair 1. M7 plus M15. What is the expression? M7 plus M15 means, how will you write? In this, which one is changing the state? A dash is changing. So we have to write B and C, D. So we got the final expression, is it? So 2 expressions we got. One is therefore the final expression. So you can write final expression equal to B dash D dash, sorry, B dash D dash plus B C D. This is the way we are writing that function. This is the reduced expression for this question, or this is the final answer for these questions. B C D plus B dash D dash, like this we can write. So the next one, okay, the second one, find the minimum POS expression of y of ABCD equal to, here one pi is there, I forgot to write here. Okay, this is pi of 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, 6. So you know pi value or pi symbol is indicated for which type of expression, that is POS expression, and here in the question itself they have given that POS expression also, sir. Yeah, sometimes the question will be reduce the expression or find the minimum, find the expression, find the final, reduce the expression, like these questions will be there. These all indicating to reduce the given expression using K-map, reduce the given function using K-map. Okay, so POS means, you know, 0 should be same, the variable will be same, 1 should be negated. So you know how to write. This is plus value, A plus B, 0, 0 and 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 is indicated as a complement. So A dash plus B dash, everything you know. These all values we have filled. So next, substituting that, which value we need to fill in this? These are the max term designation numbers, is it? So capital M, max term designation numbers, capital M. So 0, in the place of 0, maximum designation number 0, what we have to place? The value 0 we need to place. So here just we are placing the values 0. Next 1, again 0. 3, sorry, consider that as a 0. 0, another one, 0, 5, 5, yes, 5 here, 6, 6, 7, 7 is okay, then 10, where is 10? It is in the corner, last one, 10, 14, 14 and 15. Okay, so now we have filled that values. Okay, now we have filled that values, respective max done designation numbers, squares with the particular value, that is the 0 value we have placed it. Next, what is the next step? We need to mark quads, octet forms like that, isn't it? So first we have to find, is there any octet here? Any octet 8 zeros, adjacent 8 zeros are there? No, it's not possible. So we can take it as another concept. Which one is that? We can mark it as quads, isn't it? So here one 0, 2 zeros and another 0 is there. Yes. So we can mark it one quad here. Another, can we make again here? Yeah, again here 0, double zeros are there. This value, this one, we can mark it, is it? Yeah, we got 2 quads. Then 1 0 is left out and here also it is left out. So how we will mark these two? Can we mark it as pair? Yes, these are rolled one, is it? Is it rolled one or overlapping? These are overlapping groups. It's not rolled, it is overlapping. Is there any redundant groups? Can you find any redundant groups here? No. That means what is redundant? Redundant means all the values, all the zeros are occupied by other groups, means then only it is redundant. Here in the first pair, 1 0 is left out. That's why we are making as a pair. Here in this quad, 1 is free. No problem. Here in the second quad, this is free. So no problem. Is it? M3 and M15 are representing that 2 quads, each values are free. If both are occupied, means definitely it become a redundant one. So you can write quad 1, first one, quad 1 equal to, what is the value? Capital M1 dot, you remember that is dot, okay? Dot M3 dot M5 dot M7. Then how to reduce this expression also, you know, which one is changing? A dash, A is not changing. So it will write A. Yes, okay, A. The next one. Here which one is changing? C. D dash is not changing. So we can write quad 1 equal to A plus D dash. Then quad 2. Quad 2 equal to M7 dot M6 dot M15 dot M14. So here we are writing this quad. Then we can reduce the value. How? Which one is not changing? B dash is not changing. So B dash plus, in column wise, C dash is not changing. So B dash plus C dash. This is the quad 2. So next one, pair 1, is it? So pair 1 equal to M0 dot M1. So how to write M0 plus M0 dot M1 means, here B dash is changing, so we will get A plus B plus C. These 3 values we will get. Wait, A plus B plus C. Yes? Yeah. 1 minute. Just do this, okay? Then what is the next one? Pair 2. Second pair we will get as M40, capital M, M14 into M10. So what is the expression here? Expression how to write? This which one is changing? C dash is not changing. In that C dash plus D dash, is it? Yeah, the column is C dash plus D dash. Here A dash, B dash is changing. So we will get A dash plus C dash plus D. So what is the final expression? Final expression we have to write. So here just for this one, final. So therefore final POS expression you can write, POS expression. Final reduced POS expression is, by this way you can write, okay, y of a b c d, a comma b comma c comma d, a b c d equal to, what is the expression, a plus b plus c, one pair, first pair, into a dash plus c dash plus d into, chord means how, what is the values of chord, we got it, a plus d dash, then into last one b dash plus c dash. So this is the final expression that we have derived, okay. So finally you should mark this empty squares with the ones in the case of POS, that you don't forget after this one, you just fill with this one, okay. In the previous question, in the first question also, SOP means you have to fill the empty squares with the zeros, that you have to do it, okay. Okay, in this is the next type in the K-map. That is, we can tell that is a stepwise question or storytelling questions like this. Previous questions means directly they have given the question like find the minimum POS expression of these particular terms or designation numbers, or reduce the expression like the terms they have given. Is that directly they given in the question. So here in this question, it has given like a story or stepwise. We need to form a expression, then we have to reduce that expression, okay. So let's see the first one. A football association coach analyzes the criteria for a win or draw of his team depending on the following conditions. These are the main conditions. If the center and forward players perform well but defenders don't perform well, or if goalkeeper and defenders perform well but the center players don't perform well, or if all the players perform well, then the inputs, this is the important one, the inputs in the question C, D, F, G. So we have to use that variables as C, D, F, G. The given variables or given literals only we have to use. So like this we can write. So C is indicating center players perform well, D is indicating defenders perform well, F is indicating forward players perform well, G is indicating goalkeeper players performs well. So you can read these all points, and output X is denote the win or draw criteria. 1 indicates win or draw, 0 means it's defeat in all cases. So the first question, draw the truth table for the inputs and outputs given above. Write the POS expression for X of C, D, F, G. You can easily identify this. Actually, input has given here in the name or in the literals C, D, F, G. So the same expression here. Draw the truth table for the input and output. So this is the first case. Do you remember in the steps? I told you prepare the truth table, where we have to do only in the stepwise question or in the storytelling questions, we have to draw or prepare the truth table for the given function. That is the first point we need to do here. Sorry, before that, first we need to write the formula, or we need to create a expression. Then only first we are creating the expression, forming an expression, then we have to write draw the truth table. So here you remember that points and is indicating which operator? Dot operator. Or is indicating plus operator. You can and or but, both are indicating and or but. Both are indicating dot. So how we will create an expression for this? First one, if the center and forward players perform well. Sender is indicating by C. So how we can write? Sender is indicating by C. So we are writing with C equal to C Yes, and is indicating with dot operator. C dot. Forward players means what is this? Forward players is indicating by F. So C dot F. But also it is but and is indicating dot. So we can write C dot F dot. Then defenders don't perform well. You remember that simple sentence, compound sentence, and that how we have done that all sentences making. Yeah, based on that case only we are doing here. C dot F dot. And defenders don't perform well means what? Defenders indicating D. D has given that is perform well. So defenders not perform well means what? D dash, is it? Yeah. So C dot F dot D dash is the first expression. Then next one is the OR operator. What is OR operator? That is the plus operator. Next one, goalkeeper. Goalkeeper indicating by G. Goalkeeper and defenders perform well. So we don't want to change it. G dot D, both are perform well. But again dot, senders don't perform well. Senders is indicating C. That is again don't perform well. So again it is a C dash. Understood? Again, next one more OR is there. So we will add plus. If all the players perform well, that means we can connect together C, F, C, D, F, G. So all are playing well, is it? So this is the expression. This is the expression we have got it from the given statements, is it? So we have derived an expression from the given statement. Next, what we have to do? We have to draw the truth table. First one, we have derived the expression. Then we need to draw the truth table for this. Then only we can identify which positions or MACDUM designation number we will get the answers, is it? So based on that, just do the truth table here. All of you know how to draw the truth table also for variable function. Here, which are the variable function? C, D. So how to write? C, D, F and G. Another one is for the final output. Do you remember this step? This one, first one, prepare the truth table, then draw an MD. Okay, then enter here. Yeah, this one, this point. Map the given function by entering zeros for the output as zeros. We need to, if it is POS means as entering zeros for the output as 0. So whatever output as 0 means we have to enter that particular designation as 0. Is it? Okay, so here we got the expression CFD dash plus GDC dash plus CDFG. So first of all, we have derived that expression. The next step, we have to draw the truth table. All of you know this is 4 variable K-map. So 4 means 2 power 4, that is 2 power 4 equal to 16 values, is it? Yeah, 2 power 4 equal to 16, truth values will be there. And first 8 zeros, then remaining 8s are 1s, like that concept, everything you know. So here the truth table we have drawn, C, D, F, G, and X is the answer or the output. We have to write it yourself. Okay, using the expression C, F, D dash. What is the expression we got it? C, F, D dash plus G, D, C dash. G, D, C dash plus C, D, F, G. This is the expression we got it from that stepwise question, is it? Yes. Now we have drawn the truth table for 4 variables. So first of all, what we have to do means we have to substitute the values of each one. Okay. Example, first row 0, 0, 0, 0. So all are zeros. So we know and their value is 0. So we can write it as 0. Is it? In the second one, second also how we can write 0, 0, 0, 1. So CFD dash means 0 is there in the first term, 0. So in the second term, GD, both are zeros. So CDFG again 0. So we can fill the value 0. Then in the third row, 0, 0, 1, 0. 0, 0, 1, 0 means again the same value 0 we will get. There is no more change. Next, because the same value we are substituting. And then next row 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1 means C is GD dash, GD C. If G, C, F, D dash. C is 0, F is 1, D dash is 1. So C is 0, that's why no answer. GD C dash means G1 D dash D0. So there is also we have no other value. 0 is the answer. So in the next step, what is the next one? 0 1 0 0. Here what is the value? CFD dash. CFD dash means 0. CFD dash here 0. Then in the next term GDC dash. G is 0. D is 1. C dash is 1. So again we are getting 0. So here I have drew that truth table and substituted the values. Also finally we got the values in some rows ones, others all are 0. So here you can see this row M5 decimal value, you know that's corresponding binaries are this one and the corresponding decimal is 0 to 50. So 5, that is 0 1 0 1. So how we will get here? CFD dash. CFD dash means that value is 0. Then in that GDC dash, G and D is 1 and C dash is 1, 0. C is 0, C dash is 1. So it is 1, again 0. So by that way we will get the value, final value is 1 for this row. By this way we got the value. So you have to substitute each value and find the values, okay. So this is the decimal positions. And we already told or discussed about the designation number or subscript numbers is a decimal number. So how we will write? In this question, we have to find the POS expression. In the case of POS expression, in K-map also we will fill with the value 0 in the corresponding max term designation squares, or in the cells we will fill that particular value 0. In the case of POS, is it the same? You have to select the final. X is the output, so the final output X in the X column, which are the values are 0, then corresponding max terms you have to write it. So here so many max terms are there. So first one you can start from, that's why I have given this decimal numbers also. So how we will write? First one is M0, write in a capital letter M0 equal to, how will you write this one? M0 C plus D plus F plus G, is it? Yes, by the same POS expression we have to write it like this. You can write it one by one. So here just I am writing this one. M0 is okay. Next one M1, capital M1 equal to capital M1 equal to C plus C is 0, D is 0, D is 0, then F is 1. So no, F is also 0. Then next one G is 0. G is 1, is it? Yeah, G is 1 means we have to negate it. C, D, F plus G dash. That is M2. What is the next one? Wherever in the X column, you have to check the X column. In that X, that is output column. In that output column, wherever we get zeros, that corresponding max terms we have to write it. That's why max term is indicated by the capital letter M. So the M2 equal to, how we can write? C plus D plus F, only F is indicating dash plus G. Okay, by this way you have to write the entire zeros. So here M0 equal to C plus D plus F plus G, and here other terms I have written. You can check M1, M2, M3, M4, M6, M8, M9, M12, M13 and M14. So remaining all are giving the value 1. 1 is indicating, here the expression is POS expression. So you have to remember POS means we have to fill that particular max term position with the zeros. So from the truth table, if we are getting deriving an expression, and we need to draw the truth table and substitute the values in that expression and find the output as X or F, or in the last column we are finding the output, and corresponding zeros is indicating that is a POS. So we have to take that corresponding max terms of respective zeros positions. So here we got this as the final, not final, these are the max terms. We got it, is it? This is POS, so we have to write like this. Next, how you have to write the expression. So we have to write here X of C comma D comma F comma G. You have to write it together. Here there is no space, that's why I am writing here. You have to write these all one by one. How? First one M0. So C plus D plus F plus G. So together this is an M0. Then write like this into dot C plus D plus F plus, like this all you have to write it till here. M14 you have to write as the expression, okay. And now you will get, now we got that values like pi of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 13 and 14. From where we are getting these values? Here we have given that max term designation 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14. Is it? So the same designation values we are writing here, pi of these values. So till here we have done. First we have to draw the truth table, then find, first we have to write the expression from the given question. After that have to draw the truth table, then find the output using these C, D, F, G values. We are substituting that values in the expression and we are getting that output. And from that output, in that output column, which are the zeros, respective max term designation numbers are belong to that POS. So we are writing pi of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 13. Here this is 3, 4, 6. Okay, 3, 4, 6. So hereafter you know how to draw a K-map. That is an easy way you can do it, a K-map. So here 3 chords and these are non-redundant groups. There is no redundant groups. So chord 1 M0 into M1 into M2 M3, C plus D, chord 2 equal to F plus G, chord 3 C dash plus F, and pair 1 D dash plus F dash plus G. So final reduced expression we have to write it as X equal to that full expression, C plus D into F plus G into C dash plus F into D dash plus F dash plus G. So this is the finally reduced expression. If in the question draw the truth table and for the input and the output and write the POS expression means till there means you have to write here only. No need to draw the K-map. You can write. You can stop here. If they are asking to draw the truth table and write the POS expression means this is the POS expression. So we can write till here. We have to finish it. Till here you can write it and finish it. And again they are asking for 5 mark questions like this only. If any 5 mark, actually 10 mark question, sub as one question, sub question 5, another question 5, like that only. So 5 mark question, draw the truth table for input and output and write the POS expression means from the step questions or steps we have to derive the expression, then draw the truth table according to that output max term or min term designation, that particular number we have to select it and write according to the question. POS means we have to consider the values, outputs as zeros. If it is SOP means what value we have to take it? 1. All ones in that output we have to take it and write that expression. And in the second expression, draw the truth table. Then in the second expression they will ask reduce that expression using K-map means you have to draw the K-map and write what are the chords or any formations is there means you have to write it and final reduce the expression like this. So here in this question we have discussed this is for 10 mark question. Okay, now you understood 5 mark, that is for the draw the truth table and derive the write the POS or SOP expression means till here you have to write it. Otherwise if they are asking for 10 mark means have to draw the K-map and reduce the expression. This is in this program, this question we have discussed about POS. So in the truth table what we have done, only the zeros position we have taken as the max term designation, is it? Yeah, in the same question if we are considering as SOP, same question, yes, in same question there is no change in that question also. In from the question we can derive the expression, we have derived that expression. And in the case if we are considering for SOP, you just think like the one question, draw the inputs, draw the truth table for input and output and write the SOP expression mean which values we have to take, these ones we have to take, we have to leave that zeros. Okay, so which are the values for SOP? M5, small m5, then plus, here it will be plus m5 plus m7 plus small m, okay, small m7 plus, then how we will write m7 plus m7, then which one is that, 10 and 11, m10, M10 plus M11, then last one M15. Then you know how to write that min-term literals. M5 means how will you write? 0 should be negated. So C dash D into F dash G, like that it should be written. Okay, you know how to write that. The same way you can do in the case of SOP. There is no change in that question or forming that expression. The same way we have what we have done in this question, the same way we have to write and form that expression. Then as per the question, POS means we have to take the zeros in that output. SOP means we have to take the ones, corresponding ones. One is indicating the min-term values, okay, by this way. So in the next one, you can do some exercise questions and clear the doubts, okay. If you have any doubt, please message me. Thank you for watching.